Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk's neuroscience startup Neuralink on Friday unveiled a pig named Gertrude that has had a coin-sized computer chip in its brain for the last 2 months, showing off an early step toward the goal of curing human diseases with the same type of implant. Co-founded by Tesla Inc. and SpaceX, CEO Musk in 2016, San Francisco Bay Area-based Neuralink aims to implant wireless brain-computer interfaces that includes thousands of electrodes in the most complex human organ to help cure neurological conditions like Alzheimer's, dementia, and spinal cord injuries, and ultimately fuse humankind with artificial intelligence. An implantable device can actually solve these problems, Musk said on a webcast on Friday, mentioning ailments such as memory loss, hearing loss, depression, and insomnia. Musk did not provide a timeline for these treatments, appearing to retreat from earlier statements that human trials would begin by the end of this year. Neuralink's first clinical trials with a small number of human patients would be aimed at treating paralysis or paraplegia, the company's head surgeon Dr. Matthew McDougall said. Neuroscientists unaffiliated with the company said the presentation indicated that Neuralink had made great strides but cautioned that longer studies were needed. Musk presented what he described as the Three Little Pigs demo. Gertrude, the pig with a Neuralink implant in the part of its brain that controls the snout, required some coaxing by Musk to appear on camera, but eventually began eating off a stool and sniffing a straw, triggering spikes on a graph tracking the animal's neutral activity.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.